Our hero is Sergei Ivanovich Mosin, 1849 to 1902, Major General of the Russian Army, designer, organizer of mass production of small arms. After graduating with honors from the Mikhailovsky Artillery Academy, he was sent to work at the Tula gun factory. He organized production of the Russian 3-line 7.62 mm rifle in 1891. This rifle was popularly known as the Mosinka. The qualifying term 3-line rifle refers to a technical characteristic indicating the caliber of the barrel, which in this case is equal to 3 lines. Let us specify that the line at that time was called a measure of length, which is 2.54 mm, or 1/10 of an inch. Such rifles were actively used from 1892 to 1950s, mostly by the Russian and Soviet armies, but also by the Chinese People's Liberation Army and the Korean People's Army. The rifle went through various stages of refinement over time, and nowadays obsolete and modernized models are widely used for hunting purposes. However, let's return to the 1891 model. It is known that each type of weapon has its own term, after which it goes to the background, becomes not so demanded. New types of weapons come to replace it. Morally and technologically obsolete weapons are removed from production, are not used in the armed forces, and are transferred to spare resources. In this article, we will talk about those models of weapons that have significantly survived their allotted century and continue to be in high demand in the form of trophies in the circle of connoisseurs, collectors, as well as scientists and followers of the traditions of military weapons. Private individuals buy old examples for the purpose of self-defense or for hunting. Mosinka was destined to survive its short century for many years. After the approval of the sample, the mass production of the rifle began in 1892. As part of the resources of the armed forces, it continued to be used by the Soviet Army during World War II, as well as during the Great Patriotic War. After the defeat of Nazi Germany, the Mosin rifle was forgotten, but the period of its oblivion did not last long. A new wave of interest in this type of weapon rose after the collapse of the Soviet Union, when roads to Europe and the United States opened up. Under existing conditions, real connoisseurs of weapon trophies are keen on their customization, modification of standard parameters for their own needs, decoration, installation of more powerful optics, etc. They are also interested in the Russian Mosinka. What are the advantages of the rifle nowadays? First of all, the rifle was evaluated from the point of view of economical, affordable price, $100, $200 US. Besides, the rifle is convenient and economical to maintain, store, and service, and easy to repair. Moreover, the rifle is relatively lightweight, has good range, and is not afraid of sand and other field contaminants. When it comes to accuracy, the rifle can hit the target from a distance of 100 meters or more, in low wind. If a telescopic sight is also used, the accuracy and range of fire can be significantly increased, although 150 meters is a good result for this rifle. Due to its simple and reliable design, the rifle is repairable, and no special professional training is required to disassemble the rifle and replace parts. Simple but durable bolt serves for a long time and successfully withstands high mechanical loads. In the entire arsenal of this can be called a rarity of products with manufacturing defects. The technology of production and repair allows for errors without reducing the quality and operational properties of the rifle itself. Experts in the arms business note that even in the early 19th century, the Mosin rifle was difficult to consider advanced compared to other analogs. The weapon was characterized by simplicity and accessibility in use and maintenance, which caused a high demand among fighters in armed conflicts. Even the fact that not all American cartridges today are suitable for the Mosinka is not a deterrent for connoisseurs of the 3-line rifle. In conclusion, it should be noted that weapons made by Russian craftsmen are quite deservedly in high demand. Masters, craftsmen of Russia, are characterized by ingenuity, talent, ability to solve the most complex problems in a short time. A vivid example of this is the famous Mosinka. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell so you don't miss new exciting videos. See you in the next video, where we will continue to reveal the secrets of the gun world. See you soon.